Hey guys, welcome back to Metal Chopping Block. Today we're on the road to rock. We're in the Midwest in the USA. We have a special treat for you today. We got a special guest, Mickey Magnum, the legend. Today, he's going to show us how to make steaks.
There he is.
And we are really on the road to rock.
Yeah.
What's happening, man?
Have a look who's coming in here right now. It is Mickey Magnum. Hey, buddy. A legend. And we've come all the way to Wisconsin.
Alright guys, here we are with the legend, Mickey Magnum himself. And look at these friggin' beautiful ribeyes he got. Where'd you get them from, buddy?
We got these ribeyes from a local meat market called the Lodi Sausage and Meat Company. It's in Lodi, Wisconsin. Absolutely awesome. Today we're going to cook these up, and we're also going to have some sweet corn from Nessa sweet corn.
So, he's going to show us his method. How do you like to do your steaks, brother?
I got a very, very simple method. I'm going to throw on, I'm going to sear on one side. I'm going to flip after a minute or two, sear on the other, and then I'm just kind of flip back and forth the whole time. I don't have a I don't use a temperature, and I don't use a timer. I just cook these steaks by feel, and usually by using the finger method.
He cooks them the way he performs, from the heart and the emotion. Those beautiful ribeyes have just gone on, and this already smells like friggin' awesome, brother. My mouth is starting to water.
My stomach's starting to rumble. So what I like about ribeyes is that, you can have a fillet that's a nice lean cut of meat, but the ribeye's got the fat, and the fat is where the flavor is at. You want that beef butter. That is what the fat is, and that's where the flavor lies. And that's what you want when you get a piece of meat.
So while the meat's resting right now, we're gonna cut into it, but we're gonna have a little shot of some wine. We're gonna
do a little bit of Wollersheim Winery Scarlet Fumé.
There you go.
Cheers, brother.
Sempre duro.
It's been a fantastic trip. I can't believe that we're here, and your hospitality has been fantastic. Thank you so much, brother.
Sam Demon, I appreciate you, brother. You and Nick came out here to see us. You drove all this way. It's been an amazing adventure. It's been my great pleasure, along with the band, to have you guys here and learn a little bit about Canadian culture, and I hope you guys learned a little bit about American culture.
Oh, definitely. Well, cheers to that.
Cheers to you, brother.
I can't wait.
Oh, wait! No, hold on. We got one last little thing to do. In the American culture, especially in the South, you can put some seasoning on this corn to make it, give it a little more zing.
Oh.
Midwest style, you just put salt and pepper, maybe pepper on it if you like a little bit of kick. But Southern style, put a little Old Bay on it.
Old Bay.
Old Bay.
Well, let's get to it.
Let's dig in.
All right. Oh my God, this is hard to just watch.
All right.
All right, so I'm just gonna start with this piece right here. Oh, look at that color. Fantastic. Cheers.
Cheers, brother.
I don't have a nice one.
Here you are.
All right, thank you.
All right.
Oh, that is delicious. That is cooked to perfection. Lodi. That's about what, 125?
I don't know.
It tastes great.
It's dynamite.
Let's try this corn. After you.
All right.
Cheers. Oh my god. That is incredible.
Super sweet.
Super sweet. Wow.
There ain't all the roadside corn stands around. And my buddy that works down at the power plant said this was the best. And we have confirmed that Nessa's sweet corn stand is the best.
Well, we are going to eat this meal. We've got your family here, and we're going to all enjoy this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, up the irons.
Up the irons.
And don't forget to check out Making Magnum
On YouTube or on MickeyMagnum.com. It's Pythons, brother. Some pretty girl walks by. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I always say that.
Thank you for everything. Up the irons, and we're gonna dig in. Cheers and sempre duro, guys. It's been awesome.
Cheers.
What an awesome time. Thank you, guys.